Okay, I'm going to show you how to harmonize a 1C5-1 chord progression in 4-part harmony. So you need a treble clef, a bass clef, a key. We're going to have G minor, B flat and E flat for G minor. Okay, so we're going to use 1C5-1 in 4 parts: soprano, alto, tenor and bass. So I'm going to write the chords underneath to start with. So this is G, B flat, D, okay, chord 1, G, B flat, D, and then chord 5 starts on D, D, F sharp, A. Don't forget you need F sharp in chord 5. You raise the 7th degree in a minor key. Now this is chord 1, it's another G, B, D chord, but we're going to have the D at the bottom, okay, because it's a second inversion. First thing you do after you've done that is put the bass notes in. So I've told you the bass notes, the G, D, D, always go backwards. So put the G in first, and then the D, and then the D. This is the bass part, so we're going to have the stem going down. Okay, so we need to have 4 notes in each chord, and there's only 3 notes in each. So we're going to have to double something. So in these 2 chords, 1, C and 5, we double the D. You have 2 Ds. In this chord, you double the G, okay? So we need D and D. So we've got 2 Ds. Now we're going to have 2 more Ds. So we can either have them in the alto or the tenor part. All right, doesn't matter. Let's have them in the tenor part. Tenor stem goes up. Okay, so we now cross out the notes that we've got. We've got that. We've got that. We've got that. We still need a G and a B in this chord, and an F sharp and an A in this chord. Now, it's really important that we do the voicing correctly in the 1C to 5, okay? A 1C chord is sometimes called a 6/4 chord, and you'll see why. This is a 5/3 chord, okay? Because it's a root position chord. So a second inversion is a 6/4, a root position is a 5/3. This is another 5/3 here. Right, so the 6th degree above the bass, what's that? So count 6 up from the bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a B. So the B is the 6th degree above the bass, or the 6 in the chord, and the G is the 4 in the chord. And they must be resolved down by step. The B has to go down by step to the A, and the G has to go down by step to the F sharp, or the A is the 5th degree and the F sharp is the 3rd degree. So the 6 resolves down to the 5, the 4 resolves down to the 3, okay? So let's put the B here and then the A there. That could be the top line. The soprano part, stems go up, and then the G, alto part, resolves down by step to the F sharp. So that's the 4 moving to the 3, and this is the 6 moving to the 5. So that inner part writing is really important in this chord progression. A final chord, you're going to double the G. G, G, now you just need a B and a D. You can have a big space between the bass and the tenor. So there's a 10th there. That's a good thing to have a big space between the bass and the tenor, okay? Or at least an octave. So the tenor should always be nice and high. Notice the tenor is above the stave on the ledger lines. That's good. Okay, so there we are. You could voice it, you could swap it round. You could have the this doubled D in the alto part, and then you can have one of these parts in the tenor part. So you can swap that round as well. Okay, I'll just show you a swapped round version. So you could double your D in the alto part, then you just need your B to the A and the G to the F sharp. So you could have your B to the A here, your 6 to your 5, and you just need your 4 to your 3, your G to your F sharp. Oops, stems are wrong. Your G to your F sharp could be there. And that's still correct, it's still fine, 4, 3. Because the 4 is moving down by step to the 3. And the 6 degrees, well, the 6 above the bass is moving down by step to the 5 above the bass, okay? So that's still perfectly fine. I'll just play that on the piano. One C, 5, 1.